Yo. Can you climb out of the car? Get out of the car. Go that way. Go that way. Whew. Unlock the door. Unlock the window. Come on. I've got one subject stuck in the car. It's entrapment, fully involved. Get your fire extinguisher. Come on. You okay? You injured?
I think so.
Come on. Come on. It's not safe. Come on. Let's go here. Keep going. Gotta get away from this car, okay? Is there anybody else in the car with you? You're the only one? Okay, I need you to sit down here, okay? Can you watch him? Provide care? I need fire side. I believe I've still got my suspect trapped in this car. Is anybody in this car?
No.
Who is in this car? Is he out? Okay. My suspect. Where's my suspect? Fuck me.